22,000. That is the massive number this company is using to sell you on their latest cleaning robot. It sounds like an absolute powerhouse on paper. But when you look at the actual lab data, the truth is far less impressive. Independent testers found the real-world suction is actually lower than the industry average. That is a massive gap between the marketing hype and what happens on your carpet. You are looking at a $1,500 machine that might not even pull as hard as a model half its price. It makes you wonder if we are just paying for fancy words and glossy brochures. This brand claims this is their most advanced machine to date. They talk about the thinnest profile in their history. They highlight a docking station that uses near boiling water to scrub the mop pads. But the hidden details are what really matter. For example, they actually shrunk the battery capacity. The previous model had a much larger power cell. Now you are paying more money for a robot that cannot run as long. That feels like a backward step for a flagship product. If you have a large house, that smaller battery is going to be a constant headache. However, we have to give credit where the engineering actually shines. The mechanical design of the body is genuinely clever. They used a retractable sensor system on the top. This allows the robot to flatten itself down to just over 3 inches. It can slide under low-profile furniture that stops every single competitor in its tracks. If you have sofas or cabinets that never get cleaned, this is a game changer. Then there is the brush system. They have a new design that splits the rollers to prevent hair from wrapping around the axles. It even has an official certification for 0% hair entanglement. For anyone with long-haired pets, this is a total win. You will not have to spend your Saturday morning cutting hair out of a roller. No more struggling with scissors. The robot also handles obstacles better than almost anything else on the market. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to recognize over 100 different objects. It can dodge shoes, cables, and even pet accidents with incredible precision. It also climbs over thresholds that are nearly 2 inches high. Most robots just bump into those and give up. But the mopping side of things is a total coin toss. Reports from real users are all over the place. Some people love it. Others are finding nasty brown streaks across their floors. It seems like the system struggles if you have hard water in your home. Instead of deep cleaning, it might just be dragging a damp cloth full of dirt across your expensive tiles. For this kind of money, you expect perfection every single time. You do not want a machine that leaves your floors looking worse than when it started. The reality is that this robot is a specialist. It excels at getting into tight spaces and handling pet hair. If those are your biggest pain points, it might justify that steep price tag. But the suction claims feel like a fantasy. The battery downgrade is a disappointment, and the mopping consistency is a major gamble. You have to decide if the slim design and the anti-tangle tech are worth the trade-offs. It is a reminder to always look past the headline numbers. Companies love to scream about peak performance while hiding the average results in the fine print. Do not let a shiny spec sheet distract you from how the machine actually performs in a normal living room. This is about making sure your money actually buys you more than just high-end marketing. Stay skeptical and keep looking for the real data.